In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your logo through settings and save your changes. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can confidently add your branding without confusion. The process is short, but a few small details will help everything go smoothly. First, go ahead and click on Settings. Depending on your app or dashboard, you might find this as a gear icon, often in the top right corner, or as a tab in a side menu. If you see multiple categories inside settings, don't worry. Most platforms group branding options under sections like branding, appearance, or company profile. The key is just to enter settings to access the area where your logo can be uploaded. Next, wait for it to load. This step may take a few seconds, especially if your network is busy or the app is fetching your current configuration. Give it a moment so everything initializes properly. You might notice a loading spinner or a brief delay. That's normal. Avoid clicking around too quickly while the page is still loading, since that can interrupt the process and make things take longer. Now you should see an option to add or drop a logo file. Most interfaces will show a drop zone where you can drag and drop your file, along with a button to browse your computer if you prefer. For best results, choose a clean, high-resolution image. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks professional on light and dark themes, but JPG and SVG are also common. If you have guidelines for minimum width, say at least 5 and 12 pixels, use those to keep your logo crisp. Keep the file size reasonable so it uploads quickly, and make sure the artwork isn't surrounded by too much empty space. That helps the logo sit neatly in headers and navigation bars. If your logo has alternate versions, pick the one that maintains good contrast against your app's background. Once your file is selected or dropped, you'll typically see a brief upload indicator. Let it finish before you move on. If there's a preview, check that it looks centered and not stretched. After that, click on Save. This step is essential. Without saving, your upload may not be applied. The Save button may activate only after the upload completes, so if it's grayed out, give it another moment. When you click Save, wait for a confirmation message or a brief success indicator. Avoid closing the tab or navigating away until you see that confirmation. That's it. Your logo is now uploaded and saved, and your settings are updated. If you ever need to change it later, just return to settings and repeat the